for Stevie by Pearl Jam, for all these lovely Patreons. This one's taken me ages to get to, apologies, but it's so good. There's not a lot to it either, so let's dive straight in, shall we? Stone's parts, which are the kind of the main bit really for this tune, are standard. Eddie may play them on the album, I'm not sure, but Stone plays them live anyway. Mike's parts, to play his stuff, I think you go into drop D tuning, but you can play it in standard if you want. So I'll cover off what he's doing as well. There's a really cool tone in this one. I'm actually using both sides of the Funny Little Box's treasure chest, which is basically a tube screamer into a clon. So the first riff though, you're going to be playing the D string and a fretted note on the G string. So you're going to play... That's the first time. Thereafter, there's a little rhythmic change in that last bar. So slowly you'd have down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 etc. Right? So... little slide there. Down to the 7th fret. And there's a subtle upstroke in that second bar. Again, a slide up to the 12th. Thereafter it'll play. So you've got that little part at the end. That's the rhythm. So that's the whole verse part. Now Mike comes in with this. I'll show you it in drop D in a sec, but you could play it normally like this. So you could play it with normal chords if you want. Tune to D, you'd play it with one finger chords, which is what I see him do live. So that's what Mike's doing. Again, the rhythm is just down, 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 up, up, down, down. And then you just move it around. Back into standard tuning. Now Stone's part, live, is a bit different, and the rhythm's different too, but on the album version he plays something like this. 3, 4... again. 3, 4. So you're basically going to play 8/8/7 like an E major shape, but you're going to play so those notes you want to leave them ringing out. So 7, 9, then you're going to go, I'm actually kind of muting the G string there with a little bit of meat off the back of my 3rd finger. So nothing else rings out. Then you're going to go to D. Live he puts a bit more rhythm into it, so it's... You know, so up to you if you want to do that. The second time around though, it goes 1 bar of D to then C. Now there's 2 other guitar parts. One is just playing B flat to D 2 bars of each, and then 1 bar of D, 1 bar of C the second time around, okay? Then there's another guitar playing this. Like 1.5 bars of this. Then you go 7, 7, 10. Slide that up to the 12th and 14th fret. And then it goes down to the 10th fret. The second time around would be... You go back to the C, okay? First riff again, 3 times. Then you're into this like breakdown part. You're going to do B minor to D, G to E minor. But the changes on the 4 and to the second of each chord, right? So you'd have 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and around again, right? So that, then you go into this. Basically just an A sus4 to a normal A chord. Just 8th notes throughout. Back into the main riff 6 times. You know that already, but 6 times this time. And then the solo comes in. Behind that, Stone's basically playing. Like that. Do comment below if you want the solo part and I'll sort that. But essentially, same as Mike's verse riff, but I think he's just playing... He's just flattening his finger there. With the same rhythm. Six times rounds of that and you end on D. Or... so those are all the main parts. Hope you enjoy it. See you again soon.